monsoon has hit most part of our country, and during monsoon what is important for a good, safe, and also a comfortable drive is to have a clean windshield and also a very clear side mirror. So today I'm going to introduce a product which will help you to clean your glass, that is your windshield, side mirror, or also any of the other glasses of your car, with this car care product by Vista Auto Care, which is called Glass Clean. And this, what happens is, it will remove any kind of dust particle, any kind of roadkill bugs which is on your glass, and also most importantly road grims which are normally there on your windshield, which can be a challenge for a discomfortable drive during monsoon season, especially monsoon season. So let's tell you how this can help. And this particular formulation is a foam based formula, and I will tell you how to use this and also get rid of any kind of dirt on your windscreen. And at the same time, there's another product which is a anti-fog by Vista Auto Care, again from their car care product. This is again a very very important product and a must-have product for everybody who loves to drive during monsoon, especially when you drive from point A to point B during monsoon. Because of change in temperature, you will see your windshield will form a layer of mist or a fog, which is most dangerous. It will create fatigue to your eyes to drive for longer distance, and also sometimes you feel sleepy. But with application of this one solution on your windscreen, you can get rid of that issue and solve that problem. So today I'm going to explain how to use these two products, brilliant product by Vista Auto Care. And at any point of time, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get an update on every video I upload. So let's straight away get on and tell you how to use these brilliant products. See all the dust formation and grim, road grim. So let's clean this. So what we are going to do is just use the Glass Clean by Vista Auto Care and show you how easily you can clean the glass in just no time. So what you need is a Vista Glass Clean and also a microfiber cloth. So just shake the bottle well before you use. It's a foam base, that's why. And then evenly spread it across the surface. So all you need to do is just evenly spread it wherever you want it. So I'll go on the other side and spread it as well. So let it set. Once it sets down, it will get rid of any kind of dust which is on your windshield, or any kind of road kills, that is bugs on your windscreen, and also especially the grims, especially when you drive, a lot of grims are there on your surface, the glass surface. This will clearly take away all that and get your glass windshield shining back, which is very important for your monsoon ride. And at any point, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video if you think it is helpful for your friends or family members. So it's just settling down. Once it's settled down, take microfiber dry cloth and evenly spread it across and wipe it. That's all. So simple. It's very very easy to use. Make sure you spread it evenly across and get rid of any kind of dust, any kind of particles which are formed, and all the grims are cleaned. And this takes less than 5 minutes for you to get your windscreen clean. So this not only goes on your windscreen, this can also go on your door glass. Every places where there is glass, you can use this to clean it. Crystal clear. I will get you a closer look. And this can be used for all your windows, door windows, everywhere where there is glass. So let me show you the glass now. Look at the glass. It is crystal clear and took less than 2 minutes. So once you've done this, there is another product which I want to talk. I'll get that now. This anti-fog. So this is another super product which is a must use again, especially during monsoon. when you travel from point A to point B, so especially from point one city to another city, because of change of temperature, what you normally see is there is a fog formation on your glass, especially on your windshield, which is not good. You get tired by seeing through the fog. It also makes you feel sleepy. So these are all the side effects of having a fog while driving. Use this and continuous use of this as a regular use, it will only enhance the vision. So that is what it is. So you can use it both inside and outside of the glass. So all you need to do is take the spray, put it on your windshield across, let it set for a while, maybe 60 seconds, and take another dry cloth. So you need not necessarily use the Vista microfiber performance cloth. You can use any cloth, but then I'm using this. It's a very, very good product, priced at 100 rupees. And for all the products, whenever you feel you want to buy one of this, I'm going to put that into the description. You can go check out. There are Amazon links. You can go and buy these products. And once it is settled, take a dry cloth and then just wipe it, and you see the results. Just wipe it, and voila, you're done. So you've cleaned your glass. Look at the glass, it's crystal clear, and also you have applied anti-fog. So this formulation can be used for your windscreen, side mirrors, that is side mirrors, for your door glasses. Anywhere you think it is going to be a hassle by having a fog, you can use them. And that's it, done. 5 minutes, you spend 5 minutes with your car, you pay extra attention because it keeps you safe during your drive, and maintaining your car is something becomes fun with these products. So these are the two products that I've used. One is a Glass Kleen Foam and another is Anti-fog. You can use it as and when you want, and if you use it regularly, it's only going to increase the performance of your windshield in terms of anti-fogging. And that's it. We've come to the end of this video. Please comment below and tell me what you feel about this product. Have you ever used something like this? If not, would you be interested in using something like this? That'll be wonderful. And I will be waiting to hear from you guys.